So this is an old terracotta pot. At first I have coated it with the cement to make it more strong. And this is a sandpaper. We need to rub it on the surface of the cement to make it more smooth. I have taken here gesso and a flat brush, and then we need to make a thick paste of gesso using water to make it smooth, and we need to apply it on the surface of the pot, and then we need to let it dry for half an hour. Then I have colored it with the Fabrica acrylic paints. I am using here the red color. I have applied the red color like this, and it's time for a new color. I am using here the sap green color. Now it's time for the white touches. I am here using the acrylic white color to make the designs. Using the same white color to make the floral pattern on it. After completing the design, it's looking something like this. It's looking beautiful actually. What do you think? So here begins the second part of the video. So this is also a terracotta lid. At first I have coated it with gesso, and then I have colored it with the same acrylic paints, red and sap green color. I am using here the same white acrylic colors to make the design, and I am here making the same floral pattern using the same white color. just loving it. What do you think, guys? So bye for now. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, do subscribe, do share, like, comment, and stay connected. Thank you.